Hello, Python lesson 20. In Python, for usually uses range to decide repeats. Example: Step 1, open write 3. Step 2, type the following codes. Step 3, click the run button. Step 4, enter number 2, press enter key to continue. Enter number 3, press enter key to continue. Enter number 4, press enter key to continue. The output of this program is enter number 2 square equal to 4, enter number 3 square equal to 9, enter number 4 square equal to 16. Okay, thank you.